like Mahatma Gandhi, Rajini Bhatta, Chandra Bose, and many others has written pieces from his too. Started by being born as successful king and hardworking sitting chair. Let us take a visit to make our national proud. Thank you.